There you go. WA's been activated.
Yes. Now go.
Wireless emergency alert has been activated. There you go.
Into life-saving survival tools.
And my weather radios is still officially down because we're in an outage, power outage now.
It's just unbelievable. I mean, I have felt this good for a long time. I've always said great. As much fun as I've had with God-forsaken Swan on Cuddle Island, I'm ready to get out of this place. I mean, I want a bath, man.
So we're gonna skip that without the transmitter because they're skipping the EAS on the weather radio because they're trying fixing the transmitters. They're trying fixing the static sounds. The transmitter towers, the studios. So like, well, I guess, well, that's a fail. Well, that's it.
Saying do not travel unless it's an emergency. There can be debris in roadways and strong winds are going to
All right,
continue
we have
here,
an update, a severe weather update. Do not try this at home.
Power outages.
I was Jeffrey looking at power outages.
Rusty's online on YouTube right now.
Yeah, because the weather radio is offline. Because they're all static. And all around in Lincoln.
Yeah.
So let's see. I'm going to get back into the radar. Seeing that someone has lost power at Waverly. Electricity is out of 48th and Randolph.
17,800 people.
Let me see on the camera.
Which can be the same thing.
17.8 people.
And there's the map.
There's the map.
This is all moving northeast at around 50 to 60 miles per hour. Embedded in that cluster, in that circle, are
Because the radio is downstream.
Okay.
Okay?
On your room.
But that
What?
there was a basketball hoop was falling down. What the wind did it.
Yeah.
Gonna show you something.
It's just wind. Don't worry about it.
Let me show you.
Hurry up, man.
Okay?
Yes, I see it. Look. Right through here, you can see the basketball hoop fell down.
Oh, right there! Oh my gosh!
It's fine.
Let me turn the lights and we'll get zoom.
Okay, quickly.
Oh, there, folks, there it is. Oh, folks, there it is. Okay.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, come on.
There you go. So, the wind damage are blowing to the 70 miles per hour.
82.
82 miles per hour. This is out by Lancaster, right? Wind blow at the basketball hoop down. This is weather update. This is looking to right here, my county. So that, oh my goodness. One.
source. Weather instrument measurement.
Oh,
At 5:12 a.m., an 82 miles per hour wind gust was recorded at the Lincoln Airport. Recreation impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
oh, the transmitter is finally back on, back up.
Somewhat brief, but yeah, right now I think we're
This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas. Northern winds of 47 wind remains in effect until 8 p.m. North central Saline and southwestern Saunders counties, including the following locations.
All right, that was a quick update. This is for me. That was for me. That was a quick update.
Okay.
Do not try this at home
Okay, Jeffrey.
in the morning.
Okay, go to bed.
Say, do not
Do not
try this
try
at
this at
Over
home.
the last 30
Okay.
minutes,
Okay.
so you can see the direction that that damaging wind is moving.
like, oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
And it
Lots
was
of time to
Ashland,
sleep.
Wahoo, and
go.
Omaha.
So that is it.
Oh, okay.
On the
Thank
edge
you,
of
thank
the
you
capital
for
city. This
the
is blowing
update
right
for
now.
me.
Barely
Okay.
And there's Duchess.
myself speak.
Okay, go on.
Southwest Lincoln right now.
Say
That's it.
and say
So
meow. Say that's it.
there's
And say
kind of
meow.
two sections of this storm.
Say meow.
We've got this right here moving
Say
right
meow.
through, right over the capital city.
Say meow.
And then this right here. So
That's
two
it.
areas, and this is all moving like this. So hopefully, excuse me, hopefully everybody's in their safe place.
Rusty
Now,
Dawkins
we're
has a
in the
take a glass of water.
between you and the outside as you possibly can. This is not a tornado threat. This is a straight line.
Oh look, it's on the weather shield. The 1011 weather shield. Right in the capital city.
Get out of the 1011 parking lot.
1011 parking lot.
Two and now a 91. What time was that at? 5:22. So it was 4 minutes ago. 4 minutes
520.
ago, 92 mile per hour wind gusts at the Lincoln Airport.
Four-
So north
4
of
minutes
Lincoln,
ago.
A lot of wind right now. A lot of wind.
Okay. Now go in your room, okay?
Okay.
I want to watch this, alright?
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Thanks for the update.
Yes, bye.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Jeffrey, okay.
Bye.
Like this.
Now go.
We'll be out of this
Say that's
soon.
it.
Just hang on for
That's
another
it.
20 or 30 minutes.
Say that's
and
it.
it'll be,
That's it,
northeast
that's
of us.
it.